Hey y'all, it's Charity, and I'm here, halfway done, and I guess I did spare you for the long part. I make it a quick shirt, um, for a client who is trying to go against the typical walking into birthday shirts stepping into birthday shirts. So we have done walking into in her particular set of shoes. Another tip is to do what I've done and put the actual. Let me find my windows. Let me get my windows situated. I need to see history. Where are you? Where are you? Okay, right here. So that moved a little bit, but it allows you to color match, and that's exactly what I did for this. So I just hit this, pick a color right there. That's it. And it will typically save. I don't know what about the settings or whatever, and it may be because my computer is running out of space, but it's kind of doing its own thing right here. But as you see, I have these colors. It's because when it was actually working properly, it did what I needed to do. So going over to layers, and because um, I like this, I'm gonna duplicate it to give me the name for the back of the shirt. So layer, duplicate. And this will give me basically the exact same look that I want. Type in the last name here. Boom. That works. And then the walking into, gonna duplicate it because I want that same text at the bottom of the shirt. Yeah, and it's 55. It needed to be a little bit old. No, oops. Oh, I said it needed to 55. Okay, 55 over a teach. Maybe I'll take this a little bit more here because I don't, I don't want this too far. Why? Okay, let me make sure I'm clicking the right thing first. There's a little, all right, too much movement. But here, I'm gonna bring it over, take it up a couple notches, like there. So I have Holland. I'm gonna make it actually bigger since it's gonna be the back of the shirt. Go 200 and see what it gets me. Yeah, that pretty much fills it up. And this walking into, I'm going to duplicate it, then double click it to edit. Yeah, so to then, see how that would work. That would be like, oh, nice color. But for whatever reason, tripping, tripping with me. So I'm gonna go with okay. I'm gonna double click it again and then just change it to black. Which I don't have a problem with doing that. It's just when I'm trying to color match sometimes, it tries to give me a hard time. So I'm gonna take the size down on that to like 150 just to see where it is and what it does. Um, and I don't really want it to be. I liked it more here as like an afternote. I guess we could just put it right here in the middle. Let me go ahead and double space this. Mm, okay. I'm not really feeling this particular text, although I wanted to keep with the cursive look. I just didn't feel like that was the cursive for me. Let's just try a couple other options. Mm, let's try to stick with it here. She did ask for this font, but let's go to edit, free transform. Like it's something about it, like it's a little too tall. Let's see if this will act right. I'm not seeing it act right. So I'm gonna just come in here and try to manually change to 50. And then we can really widen it to 200. It's gonna get super big, but I mean to do 75. I don't know. I'm gonna come back to a regular, um, okay, I'm not gonna use this same one. I'll leave this. Okay, let's try to go back to that font. This is a bit more legible. Let's just play with it. Sometimes you kind of have to go through your little library and see. I like that, but then again, mm, this is why I try to have most of everything done before I came on with you guys because it's really just there's no right or wrong to designing. It's preference and playing with things. I like this one a little bit. Why do I like it actually? Bring it up. You really don't know. Looks similar. Walking into 55 like the boss that I am. Like the boss. What about I am? Like the boss I am. Hmm, I don't know. Because both ways work in my mind. Okay, so I'm leave it here. I'll come back, double click it, see if I have any variation in the T. I really don't. Oh my goodness. So the computer wants to trip, but I'm gonna go with this one. I like it off to the side like this. See this? Yeah, I like this like this. That I am off here to the side. I do. Excuse me. Bless me. I like it like this. If you don't like it, leave a comment. Although already have pressed this shirt because that's what's about to happen next. So here we are, and on to the next. Okay, so I'm gonna probably just play with the bevel. I'm actually fine with it. Let's get to it. I really wanted a little softer, so that's that. I'm going to let's see. Yeah, y'all. If y'all can hear that, my husband is watching battle rap, and there's literally nothing I can do about it to save you guys. But I wanted to. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong thing. Look. Baby, you don't know where that came from. You don't know the reference. Why, my brother? No, but I am recording. So I asked you to cut that down. And that's just inappropriate. Okay, boom. Let's see how this looks on the outside. Oh, that looks nice. It looks okay. Decent. Decent. Let's see what a outer glow will do to this. Wish I would vanish. Oh, that won't be visible. Saying things I don't mean. You see what I mean? I'm not really seeing it translate down here. So, if you don't know, this is what I'm looking at to see how things are going. Couldn't really see anything, but I like how this Holland is, so I'm going to leave it. This will be the back. And a little trick that I like to do is to rotate 180 so that it can easily just line up. I like to. Okay, whatever. Let's see. Okay, so I got it right up on that. There we go. Now we can see what's the middle. And you'll see that pink, purplish line. Boom, I'm in the middle. So once that's on, I go to free transform and just hit a rotate. Okay. And now when I line it up, it's going to be perfectly aligned. Not sure. Oh, here we go. Perfectly aligned for this other end. I think that's yeah, so I like it. I'm gonna go to file, print. Uh, I'm gonna start putting my logo on everything, but as of right now, it's whatever. Let's get to it. Premium presentation, matte, mirror is on, and it's on. So I'll see y'all when it's time to press. Actually, I want this a little bigger. Actually, no, I don't. So yeah, back to what I was saying. See ya.